Hello guys, welcome back to another of my 2-minute videos. This is going to be super quick. I'm just going to tell you a huge difference between car design and product design. So stick around. So one of the biggest difference of product design against car design, like I said, when we went to school, we did a lot of the first classes together. They focus a lot more on human factors, which I explained on a previous video, and we focus a lot on the beauty of the object, right? Because cars, people like beautiful cars. But I think the biggest difference out there, and it's super important, is job security. When you get out of car design school, there's a lot of people trying to get into a car design studio, and there's not enough car design studios. If you look out there, see how many different car companies are and how many cars they make per year compared to how many products there are. So like if you see in my house, there's 2 cars and there's probably well over 600 products inside my house. So if you see that out there in the world, just go to Target, go to Walmart, go anywhere you go, everything you see is industrial design. So the camera that I'm recording on, my glasses that I'm wearing, the watch that I have, everything is product design. There's so many product designs that there's design studios everywhere. So if you go for product design, your job security is going to be a lot higher than car design, because there's probably someone manufacturing some kind of product, probably just within a few miles of where you live right now. If I want to see where they manufacture or design a car near where I am, there's nothing around me. I have to get on a plane, I have to go to different countries, different continents. If I want to Google who's around me manufacturing products, I can probably find someone that is 3 blocks away that is doing, I don't care, baby cribs. And I can go design baby cribs for them. Or I can do desks, or I can do electronics, or I can do, there's a million things you can do. So that's the biggest difference. So products, there's millions and millions more getting done every single day. The other really cool thing is when you work for a car company, car is such a complicated product that there's a lot of people involved on that same product, just on one product. So you have to talk to them. Everybody has to be in the same page. Sometimes you design something and then you are like, they come to you and say, hey, didn't you realize that we changed this previous part that it fits in? So you're not aware of that, and then you have to go destroy everything you just built and start building again. And it's just crazy because the communication is not perfect yet, because there's so many steps to building a car. Now, if you work for a small company, like say if you go down the block and there's a guy manufacturing cell phone cases, then you can just go straight to the boss and say, hey, I thought of this idea that is the phone that has a phone charger, that also has a flashlight, that also has something so you locate it when you lose it. Then it's directly to him. He gives you the go ahead, you build it, you design it, you talk straight to him, and you get it done. So things get done a lot easier and faster. Job security, there's lots of products to be made, and they're getting made every single day. Cars, there's not that many cars getting made every day, and it's just a very competitive field. So that's very important for you to know before you choose which way you want to go. So I hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys on Friday, where I do one of my usual tutorials. If you haven't seen them, check them out. Subscribe to my channel. It's everything about design, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.